Is my car OB1 Kenobi? Welcome to Mercie Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. Oh, I guess it wasn't OB1 Kenobi. The question was, is my car OBD1, OBD2, or not OBD? Well, basically, OBD2 was a regulation that the government came up with so that cars would be more standardized. So the protocol or the communication for the scanners would all be the same and plug in so you could get data out of them. And that came out for all model years 1996 and newer. So if you have scanner capabilities on a car older than 1996, your car would be OBD1, or what we call OB1 Kenobi. And if you're 96 or newer, your car has OBD2. And so the protocol makes it a little bit easier to find equipment to diagnose with it. I hope that answers your question. And until next time, safe travels to you and blessings.